Hello. I will show you our sleeping attire. Look at Ellie. Stand up, Ellie. Stand. Sleeping dress. Lola bought it in the ukay for 5 peso. Then where's come here, Kat?
Like this. 5.
And Catherine's.
Yep. Okay.
It's a sleeping dress, but it's quite short for her. It's quite shorter. Stand up. So she wears a
Lego.
jogging pants.
Dragon
And mine is a big long sleeves. No! And then just that. And we're about to sleep.
No.
You have assignment?
Ma, can I whisper something to you?
Oh, you don't need to whisper.
I want to whisper
Ah, yes.
something. Wait.
Ah, you want to sing Golden?
No.
Again. You're singing Golden. And then Riley is looking at you.
Yeah, he's listening to me.
Hmm? Who's Riley? Your classmate?
Yeah, and I want to the bottom
Why?
outside.
Because she's listening to you while singing the Golden.
Yeah, and I did not come out.
Why didn't come out? So you didn't finish the song.
Mm,
Ili is so OE.
no. And I go outside in the CR and I run and I go to the next window. When I look at them, they were almost going home.
Na Ali sad daw going home from school.
Huh? I didn't say that.
She said though because she's gonna miss Riley.
No.
You whispered that to me in the ZR.
No.
Oh, you will miss more, Mommy or Riley? Oh,
Ali, if Riley is watching this,
I'll send this to Riley.
Don't, you even don't know the message of Riley of her mother.
but what if mommy goes to your school and asks?
No way, mommy have a lot of stuff to do.
No,